So you read the title and immediately threw away your scale, right? Now what? Well, there are dozens, if not 13s of ways to track your health journey. We're going to cover some of them here in video 2 of our Healthy Mindset series. If you haven't watched video 1, there's a link in the description. Our body weight is merely a measurement of gravity's effect on our bodies. It doesn't take into account body composition, water, food in your stomach, or bone density. Your doctor may even use weight as a sole reason to prescribe behavioral changes or medication. Life hack, you can ask them not to share your body weight at your appointments. It works. So since it's kind of unreliable, here are some ways to track your progress as you make healthy changes. So one of my favorites is strength metrics. If you're lifting weights, are you getting stronger? Can you do more push-ups, more pull-ups, more bench presses and squats while increasing the weight slowly? Strength training overall is a great way to improve your health, but it also improves your bone density and connective tissue strength. Number 2 is energy levels. Do you have more energy? Do you wake up ready for the day? Do you have more energy throughout the day? Oftentimes, as we're consistent with healthy changes, we'll notice that our energy levels are up and they're more consistent than maybe they used to be. Number 3 is distance or repetitions. If you're into sports such as walking, running, rowing, biking, you may measure your progress with distance or time as well as speed. So if you go from walking 1 mile to walking 1.5 miles every day, that's progress. Number 4 is mobility. Mobility is the ability to control your joints through the range of motion. It's more active than flexibility, which is a passive range of motion. Are you noticing that certain movements feel less restricted? Or maybe you can move your joints in ways that you couldn't before. That's mobility progress. Number 5 is sleep quality. Are you getting to sleep faster? Are you getting better sleep? If you are, then you're getting good indications that you're moving in the right direction. And better sleep will help you in all areas of your life. If you need some help getting to sleep, check out, I have a link in the description to another video I did about how to improve your sleep. Number 6 is feelings of well-being. Do you just feel good? Are you in less pain? Do you have a sense of accomplishment and well-being throughout your day? A lot of these feelings can be associated with higher serotonin levels in your brain, dopamine by you accomplishing tasks because you have more energy, or even endorphins that your body releases during exercise. Just overall feelings of well-being is a really good indicator you are taking the proper steps to take care of yourself. And number 7 is better fit. Do your clothes fit better? Do you feel more comfortable in your own skin? Maybe it's easier to bend down and tie your shoes, or car and plane seatbelts don't feel as tight. Being comfortable in the world around you is huge. It's a great motivator to keep up with the healthy changes that you've made. So much emphasis is put on our weight. It can be such a huge source of stress for so many people. Please try to remember that your value as a human has absolutely zero correlation with your relationship to gravity. Take note of some of the metrics and the feelings that we discussed in the video, and let me know in the comments what's working for you. Next step in our journey is to learn how to use movement to improve our health and our happiness. If you're watching this video and it's more than a week old, click here to go to the next step. If the video is still less than a week old, consider subscribing so you can see when that video comes out. As always, if you got any value from this video, please like it. It helps the video spread to more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.